Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete all your Instagram interactions to maintain privacy or start fresh, follow these step-by-step instructions to clear your activity history. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Step 3. Tap the three horizontal lines, menu icon, in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 4. Select your activity from the menu options to view your interaction history. Step 5. Tap on interactions to see your likes, comments, and other engagement activities. Step 6. Select the type of interaction you want to delete, such as likes, comments, or story replies. Step 7. Tap Select All or manually choose specific interactions you want to remove. Step 8. Tap Delete or Remove to permanently clear the selected interactions from your account. Step 9. Confirm your action when prompted to complete the deletion process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.